How to use generative AI tools for content creation. Here's how to use generative AI tools for content creation step by step. First, let's start with what generative AI actually means. It's a technology that can create new content like text, images, videos, or even music just from a simple prompt. Tools like ChatGPT and Canva Magic Write are all great examples. Now, to start using AI for content, first choose the type of content you want to create, whether it's a YouTube script, a blog post, or thumbnail design. Now, pick the right tool for the job. For writing and scripting, use tools like ChatGPT or Jasper. For images and thumbnails, try Midjourney or Adobe Firefly. And for videos, tools like Runway ML or Pika Lab works great. Once you've picked your tool, it's all about giving a clear prompt. Describe your idea, tone, and target for audience. Then let the AI generate your draft. But here's the key, always refine it manually. AI gives you a base, but your creativity gives it personality. After editing, use AI again to repurpose your content. For example, turn your script into a blog post or a series of social media captions. And that's it. That's how you use generative AI tools to create content efficiently while keeping your own unique style. That's all for this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more creator tips and tutorials.